Top 10 Most Visited Cities in the World 2024. A comprehensive guide. Travel is a universal passion, and in 2024-2025, tourism continues to thrive as cities around the globe attract millions of visitors eager to explore culture, history, and adventure. These destinations combine iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and modern attractions to rank among the most visited cities in the world. Here's an in-depth look at the top 10 cities drawing the largest crowds in 2024-2025. 1. Bangkok, Thailand. Why it's popular? Bangkok retains its status as a tourism powerhouse, blending traditional Thai culture with vibrant city life. The Grand Palace, Wat Arun, and Wat Phra Kaew showcase its historical splendor, while bustling street markets and luxury malls like Siam Paragon offer a shopper's paradise. The nightlife in areas like Sukhumvit and Khao San Road is legendary. Attractions. 1. Floating markets, e.g., Damain Sajuak. 2. Iconic temples and palaces. 3. Thai cuisine, from street food to fine dining. Visitor numbers, over 22 million annually. 2. Paris, France. Why it's popular? The City of Light remains an eternal favorite, captivating tourists with its romantic ambience, artistic heritage, and world-renowned landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum. Paris is also synonymous with haute couture and culinary excellence. Attractions. 1. Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral. 2. Charming neighborhoods like Montmartre and Le Marais. 3. Michelin-starred restaurants and cozy bistros. Visitor numbers, around 19 million annually. 3. London, United Kingdom. Why it's popular? London is a seamless blend of history and modernity. Iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, and the British Museum draw history enthusiasts, while its theatres, pubs, and vibrant neighborhoods cater to every interest. Attractions. 1. Big Ben, London Eye, Westminster Abbey. 2. World-class museums, mostly free. 3. Shopping at Harrods and Oxford Street. Visitor numbers, approximately 18 million annually. 4. Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Why it's popular? Dubai dazzles visitors with its futuristic skyline, luxury shopping, and unmatched attractions like the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. This desert oasis is a hotspot for luxury seekers and adventure enthusiasts. Attractions. 1. Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Mall. 2. Desert safaris and dune bashing. 3. Extravagant cultural festivals. Visitor numbers, over 16 million annually. 5. Istanbul, Turkey. Why it's popular? Straddling two continents, Istanbul offers a unique fusion of Eastern and Western cultures. Its historic sites, like Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, stand alongside bustling bazaars and modern eateries. Attractions. 1. Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Basilica Sistine. 2. Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar. 3. Bosphorus cruises. Visitor numbers, around 15 million annually. 6. Tokyo, Japan. Why it's popular? Tokyo blends cutting-edge technology with deeply rooted traditions. From its neon-lit streets to serene temples, the city offers an unparalleled mix of experiences. The Japanese capital is also a culinary haven, boasting more Michelin-starred restaurants than any other city. Attractions. 1. Sensoji Temple, Tokyo Tower, Shibuya Crossing. 2. Unique districts like Akihabara and Harajuku. 3. World-class sushi, ramen, and street food. Visitor numbers, over 14 million annually. 7. New York City, United States. Why it's popular? The Big Apple is a cultural melting pot, celebrated for its iconic skyline, Broadway shows, and world-class museums. NYC's diversity ensures there's something for everyone, whether it's exploring Central Park, dining in Chinatown, or shopping in Soho. Attractions. 1. Statue of Liberty, Times Square, Central Park. 2. Museums like MoMA and the Met. 3. Broadway shows and nightlife. Visitor numbers, approximately 13 million annually. 8. Rome, Italy. Why it's popular? Rome's ancient history captivates millions, with landmarks like the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon offering a glimpse into the past. Its cobblestone streets, piazzas, and world-famous gelato make it a perennial favorite. Attractions: 1. The Vatican, Sistine Chapel, Trevi Fountain. 2. Authentic Italian cuisine. 3. Historic neighborhoods like Trastevere. Visitor numbers, about 12 million annually. 9. Singapore. Why it's popular? Singapore is a marvel of modern urban planning, boasting clean streets, futuristic architecture, and lush greenery. Iconic attractions like Gardens by the Bay and Marina Bay Sands offer unforgettable experiences. The city-state's multicultural food scene is another draw. Attractions: 1. Marina Bay Sands, Gardens by the Bay, Sentosa Island. 2. Diverse cuisines at hawker centers. 3. Orchard Road shopping. Visitor numbers, around 11 million annually. 10. Barcelona, Spain. Why it's popular? Barcelona enchants visitors with its unique blend of history, art, and coastal charm. Antoni Gaudi's architectural masterpieces, such as the Sagrada Familia and Parc Güell, are world-famous, while the city's beaches and vibrant nightlife add to its appeal. Attractions: 1. La Rambla, Gothic Quarter, Casa Batlló. 2. Tapas, paella, and Catalan cuisine. 3. Stunning Mediterranean coastline. Visitor numbers, over 10 million annually. Conclusion: these cities represent the pinnacle of global tourism, offering diverse experiences for millions of travelers each year. From historic landmarks to modern marvels, each destination has carved its place on the list of the most visited cities in the world for 2024. Whether you are a history buff, foodie, or thrill seeker, these cities promise unforgettable adventures. Thanks for watching this video.